The transforming love of Christ. We talk of transformation when we see changes. And transformation usually comes about through experiences. People who experience love go through a form of inner transformation which produces an aura. This love, this experience, this transformation is seen in the form of an aura. This can be observed and seen in words and actions. For example, before Christianity came to Ghana, it was not common to see marriage among some ethnic groups which could be attributed to some cultural beliefs and norms. Now this practice has been broken through the transforming love of Christ. Boundaries are broken. The Holy Three God, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, our model, is the communion of love. The three persons in the Trinity love each other. Each of them gives and receives love. This form of love is also expressed and shared outwardly towards all creation and humanity. God the Father created the world and human beings out of this love. The love of God was fully expressed through the sending of the Son. This can be observed and seen in words and actions. Guided by the Holy Spirit, Jesus spoke about the love of the Father for the people, proclaimed the good news to the poor and marginalized, showed compassion to the sick and marginalized, and sacrificed his life for the salvation of all. This can be observed and seen in words and actions. What about us? What about me as an SPD? The theme of the general chapter, as known to us all, is the love of Christ impels us. Am I really impelled by the love of Christ? Do I experience any transformation myself through this love of Christ? Is there any aura around me because of the love of Christ? Can this be observed and seen in my words and actions? The love of Christ impels us. This should be seen and expressed in our words and in our actions.